Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to fix this grayed out airplane mode switch. Now when this happens, there are so many things you can do. You can't browse the internet, you can't choose your Bluetooth, and even if you turn on your Wi-Fi, it automatically goes off by itself. So you can see it is grayed out. Sometimes this happens when you update your wireless drivers and all those stuffs. And you know, the airplane mode switch is a feature that allows Windows 10 device to be safely used on airplanes, okay, since they completely block all types of external connectivities. You get it? So in this case, normally we don't normally use the airplane mode switch, but in some cases when you want to be on the airplane, you are going to need it. So in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to fix it. Now first thing first, we are going to disable the HID device, okay, that's the human interface devices. We're going to disable it. So first of all, you come here, then you type device manager, okay. So device manager. Another way, if you don't have this the search icon here, another way you might do it is you click on start, then you start typing device manager like that, or you right click on start and then you can see it here, or you press Windows X and then you can see it here. So there are so many ways you can reach there. So when it opens the device manager, you look for HID, which is this human interface device. You double click or click the arrow next to it, and then you click on airplane mode switch collection, okay. We are going to disable this, so you right click on it and then you disable it. It says disabling this device because it's stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Yes, we definitely want to disable it. So we disable it, and you can see the icon which tells us that it's disabled. When you click on it, it says enable driver. At this point, the airplane mode switch is still grayed out because we need to restart our device in order to see the changes. So we are going to restart our computer to see if we have truly fixed this error. So I'm going to right click here and then restart. Okay, so I just restarted the computer, and then let's see if our problem has been fixed. So this is it, and you can see it's no longer grayed out. I can turn on my Wi-Fi and you can see everything is working perfectly. Same way when you come here, you can see it's not grayed out no more, okay. But someone might ask, because we've turned off the HID let me check this out. Because we've turned this thing off, should we turn it back on? But the answer is no, don't turn it back on, because from my experience, when I turned it back on and I restarted the computer, the problem came back. But what you can do, like I said, it has to do with a driver that you have updated. Sometimes when you do a recent update to your drivers and all that, it brings up this problem. So what you can do is that you can switch to Ethernet connection, and that pretty much should connect you to the internet, and then you should be able to download drivers and then fix the problem. Otherwise, don't turn it back on, since everything is working perfectly now. There is no need for you to turn it back on if everything is working. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe. Thank you.